My name is Ana Valenzuela. I am a licensed professional counselor supervisor. I am also a licensed chemical dependency counselor and a national certified counselor. I was born in the Dominican Republic. Got to experience some of the limitations of mental health in a third world country. When I was 15, my family made the decision to move to the United States. A very impactful event took place in my family. A family member of mine attempted suicide, and I remember going to visit her at the hospital and seeing the toll that had in the family and the uncertainties. I do believe that if during that time she had a provider that spoke her language, she will have perhaps recovered, had a better outcome. She's doing well. So she survived this attempt, but that really was impactful for me, that I started finding out more about what psychology was, what that looked like, and that's where my passion for knowing more about mental health started. I became aware of Clear Hope in 2018. So I took a leap of faith and came on board as a part-time clinician and the first executive director. Our mission for Clear Hope is to provide high-quality mental health services and remove access barriers to high-quality mental health services. Clear Hope is blessed, to have the opportunity not only to provide the services in Spanish, but also provide the services to individuals that qualified for federally funded insurance. I have developed several trainings and workshops that I have presented to community members. I did a presentation on the mental health aspect of Spanish-speaking Afro-Caribbeans and Hispanics to learn about the stigma and the barriers and the differences, for mental health, cultural differences, and the cultural humility for providing services to this particular population. Walden holds a very special place in how I care for my clients, and that is that social change. I like to look at the impact that I'm having on the people, and that is what I learned from Walden. I hope to be a pioneer of change and make an impact in creating awareness in the cultural melting pot that the Hispanic community has. We can bring all of that into our sessions so that connection can be developed even better, even more with the clients.